Printwaste Recycling and Shredding, an award-winning provider of sustainable waste management solutions, has recently kitted out its fleet maintenance capabilities with the purchase of essential equipment from commercial vehicle workshop experts TotalCare. The integrated brake tester enables precise testing of brake performance without needing to remove wheels and has a maximum axle load of up to 20,000 kilograms. The vehicle inspection pit allows easy access to all vehicle components, allowing for thorough routine inspections. Manufactured in the Midlands from high-quality pre-fabricated steel, the pit is CE-certified. The shaker plates allow technicians to efficiently check for any play or wear in the vehicle's steering and suspension components. We're proud to support Printwaste Recycling and Shredding with a comprehensive solution that aligns with their values and operational goals.